Hello everyone, my name is Pini Tonarta. Today I'm going to discuss to you about board account method of voting. Let's start with our introduction. The board account method of voting is a round voting system used to determine a winner based on votes preferences. Instead of selecting just one candidate in order of preferences, each round is assigned a specific number of points in the candidate with the highest total points wins. This method is widely used in elections, decision-making processes, in even sports ranking due to its ability to consider overall voter preferences rather than just the most first-place votes. Jean-Charles Deporta was a French mathematician and scientist who developed the board account method of voting in 1770. He contributed to voting theory, fluid mechanics. Jean-Charles Deporta, a French mathematician and scientist who developed the board account method of voting in 1770. He contributed to voting theory, fluid mechanics, and the metric system, influencing both mathematics and engineering. So now let us move on to the problems. Problem 1. The students of section B decide to make a voting for their daily activities on Monday. The choices are volleyball, basketball, badminton, and tennis. Basketball and the badminton and tennis are the choices. But the fourth choices has 4 points. And for the second choice it has 3 points. And for the third choice it has 2 points. And for the last choice it has 1 point. So let's start with the basketball, which is represented as A. So A, which is the 4 points, which is 4 votes plus 3, which is the A, 3 points, which is 3 points, which is the votes plus 2 points, which is aligned with 2 points, and 12 votes plus 3 points, which is aligned with 3 points, and 19 votes plus 4 points, which is aligned with 4 points, and 30 votes. This is total with 281. So now let's go for the volleyball, which is represented as B. So we will use the same method as the basketball with 90 votes. And for the badminton, it has a total of 238 votes. And lastly, for the tennis, which it has the 171 votes. Therefore, the one who has the higher votes will be the winner, or the one will be the activity for the students of section B, or activities on the B. Problem 2. The students of section B decides to make a voting for their Christmas party on December 18, 2025. The choices are cheesecake, mango float, coconut pie, and Dutch flan. So the first choices is cheesecake. Just like before for the bottom one, the first choice is always to be 4 points. And for the second choice, it's going to be 3 points. And for the 2 points. And lastly, for the fourth choice is going to be 1 point. So now let's solve first the cheesecake, which represents as A. So 4 points and 28 votes plus 2 points and 17 votes plus 1 point and 36 votes plus 3 points and 3 votes plus 1 point and 40 votes with a total of 205 votes. So now, for the mango float or the electrical, there's going to be the same method as the cheesecake. So the total for the mango float is 341 votes. And for the coconut pie, it has the total of 226 has 341 votes, which is the winner. Lastly, the problem we have. Students of Section 3 decide to make a book meet for their 10th grade celebration after their final exam on first semester. The choices are Enchanted River, Pagilid Falls, Camp Lundala, and Pearl Farm Beach Resort. So, first let's start with Enchanted River, which is represented as A. So, 4 points and 26 votes plus 2 points, which is 14 votes plus 3 points and 31 votes plus 1 point, 18 votes plus 4 points and 30 votes. For the total is 495 votes for the Enchanted River. So now let's go on to our post on the Pearl Farm Beach Resort, which is utilizes the same method as the Enchanted River. So the total, the winning cost is 8,190, and for the total for Camp Lundala is 270 votes. And for lastly, for the Pearl Farm Resort, it has a total of 255 votes. So the winner for this problem is Enchanted River, is because it has the higher votes, which is 295. So thank you everyone for watching. So I hope that you learned today about the board account method of voting.